the weekends, like this. Weekdays when I'm at work, it's like nice and perfect.
Yeah, it's supposed to be nice next week.
Yeah, and I'm at work. Gonna cast it into the wind a little bit, like 11 o'clock. To beat that. Alright, let's do this. You guys get one yet? Nice, nice.
What's your technique?
There it is. See it pause?
Yeah.
It pauses on the ground. That's how you beat the wind. Keep your line low and into the water deeper. Yep, first cast. Did you see the hit? First cast, brother. This crazy wind. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today we're jigging the Detroit River. So today is super windy. I'm talking about 40-50 km/h winds. The water is like chocolate mud right now. So if you guys decided coming down for the weekend, it's gonna be a tough one. But if you guys caught them on shore, we're gonna try to get out there. I'm gonna suggest to use the low and slow technique that I'm gonna show you guys, and we're gonna try to catch a fish with it. I showed in a video before how to fish in the winds. It's the same technique. 1 ounce jigs. You can even use a 3/4, but I like to use the Bear color. It's nice and orange in this dirty water. It shows up very well. So let's get out there and slang a fish. I'm telling you, the weekends, like this. Weekdays when I'm at work, it's like nice and perfect.
Yeah, it's supposed to be nice next week.
Yeah, and I'm at work. Gonna cast it into the wind a little bit, like 11 o'clock. To beat that. Alright, let's do this. You guys get one yet? Nice, nice.
What's your technique?
There it is. See it pause?
Yeah.
It pauses on the ground. That's how you beat the wind. Keep your line low and into the water deeper. Yep, first cast. Did you see the hit? First cast, brother. This crazy wind. I'm battling with somebody right now. Somebody's line, hold it up, hold your line up. First cast, bro. So I was jigging low there. There we go. Told you, bro, that technique works, eh? He's like, how does he do that? Just started the camera too. Yeah. So there you guys go, just got here. First cast, right? Yep. Just teach my boy John the trick to the wind if you guys are fishing on shore. Right there. First fish of the evening, roughly what, 2-3 pounds or so? Nice clean fish. I like it because it's got that pale milky color of the limestone. Letting go little eggs, so this is a female for sure. But perfect size for eating. Oh man. So don't mind me, and I apologize for the wind noise right now, but I'm using a tactical fishing rod, jigging special, the TFG jigging special here, 6'3", medium heavy. I got a 3/4 ounce jig on. The jig head color does not matter to me. It's all about the body. If you have the right body color for the right condition, which is the dirty condition here, you're gonna slang it. You just gotta find the right one. So let's get in the water. All right, get in there, John. person left of you should always go first if the current's going this way. And if it's going right, then the person right of you will go first. That is the rule of thumb. Now Johnny, slang one, bro. You're gonna kill one. Yes, cast in the wind. You got this, sir. Yeah, keep it low and just let it hang there, man. You'll find that bottom. Into the wind, bro. So what I'm trying to do here is find the bottom with my tip very low. There it is. And I just want to pull and let it pause on the ground again. Same thing as your vertical jigging technique, but it's more like diagonal. Talk a little weird because it's windy out here. But I'm fishing with Johnny right beside me. I met him through his wife Kelsey, and you got the Winston rock.
Yeah.
So find this bottom. We'll keep sweeping for a fish and then slang one. Alright guys, vehicle of the day is a freighter ship. I'll go see. That one is actually going upriver towards Lake St. Clair, and it's actually empty. It looks like it holds like some type of fuel. It definitely says no smoking in big signs. Vehicle of the day, I'll go see. I don't know what I'll go see means. Is he saying I'll go see, like I'll go see you?
Probably.
I'll go see Walleye.
There you go.
Here you go, bro. You want to fish a rod? Go ahead. Yeah, you go with your confidence.
I lost my June bugs, I never got no other bites.
June bug works. Amazing, brother. What is your second on the day now?
Yeah.
It's lay.
That's a nice fish.
Oh, this is gonna be a really nice one.
It's all bad.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice fatty. There you go, brother.
Thank you.
Congratulations on the June bug.
Yeah.
That's slaying, bro. Oh, she's a piggy. Beautiful catch, brother.
Perfect eating one.
Oh yeah. All the jig off of Winston Rock. What's up, Scott Walleye? How you doing, brother?
What up, bro? How you doing?
Good, good.
How's everything?
Good.
On, bro? Hey, how's it going?
Oh my God! I was just looking away. Did you see my rod bend?
Yeah.
Oh man! I was just pulled it right out of his mouth. But they're worth every dollar in the lifetime warranty. Yeah, yeah.
So anytime we snap.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, give me one more shot to hook the fish again. I'll hook it this time. I'll pay attention. There it is. Funny how I can ask for it, it just happens. Right?
Yeah.
But give me a chance to hook a fish right now. Not a big one. I'm skiing him in. What is it, a perch? Second fish of the evening on a windy day. Oh, it's got some growth on its cheek.
Oh.
Oh yeah, one on the side there.
I think this one might have to go back.
That one's
Yeah. It is not a tuma. Is it a tuma? No, it's not a tuma.
That's just on the skin, isn't it?
Yeah, it's on the skin. I mean, people say it's still good to eat, but
Yeah.
what, you want it?
I'll take it.
Here you go, brother, donation.
I don't care if it's got a growth on its head.
There you go, second fish of the day, donated. Yes, sir. Let's get back in there. So this jerbear in this muddy water right here is hot. Hot commodity, brand new color. We're just starting to smash them with it. So let's get back out there. Why not? not?
Natural.
Yeah, why not? You never know, bro.
I got that or that.
Both are pretty good, actually, to be honest. Oh my god!
Oh, there you go.
Damn, that one hit on the up. That's a decent one.
Feels good.
Oh yeah, feels good. Not gonna be a monster, but it's better than what I've been catching. Third one of the day. Still on the jibber, one piece, brother. The tactical rushing rod is really holding up though.
Nice bend, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I like it. Very sensitive rod.
Oh, look at that.
I'm fighting someone's line at the same time. There you go, brother.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Yes, sir. The third fish of the day, guys, on the jerbear. In this muddy condition, very, very tough. But that one actually smacked it. Nice hog there. We'll get this off the net real quick. She tangled. She is tangled. All right. There you guys go. Third fish of the day. What do you guys say? 4 poundish, 5 poundish? Something rough like that. There you go, bro. That's your fish.
Thank you.
Yep. You netted it. So we're actually having a pretty good day so far. Not bad for the Detroit River. We're very cold, very muddy, very windy day. Jerry's been hitting it for us. Right there, guys. No, he's not caught on line. He's huge. This one's huge. This one's gonna be a monster.
Yeah, he's coming right here now.
Unless he's snagged, but I don't think so. This is gonna be a big one. No. 10 pounder. No, it's snagged.
Oh.
Snagged in the back.
Oh, it's got a fun shape.
Yeah. Sorry, brother. There you go. Hey, a fish is a fish, brother. You flossed him. Still a nice catch.
I
You
have
could
no cash out here right now.
you could pick up some and then pay me later.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, I ain't worried. It's just $5, right? I thought that was a human wooing, like Ric Flair. Woo! I thought it was Ric Flair, bro. Woo! Oh man, that thing got me.
That's hilarious.
I thought Ric Flair was behind us. So a little update so far. I missed about 4 different fish. I landed 3. I fished roughly about 2.5 hours so far in this really muddy water, super windy conditions, but they're actually biting really well right now. The reason why is because they have one shot to get that bait, so they're gonna make the attempt to get it. They're saying they don't want to miss the opportunity to eat and just go for it. So let's get back in the water and slang another one. This this wind's getting stronger. I can feel it, brother. I thought it was supposed to slow down.
That's what it said on the weather number.
Weatherman lied. He's the only person that can get paid without getting fired and lying the whole entire time. There's the weatherman. You know, the weatherman's a liar. Never listen to a weatherman. Yeah, man, it's the best job in the world. You can just say whatever you want. You get paid. Today, it's gonna be 90 degrees outside, and the walleyes are biting. No, you're a liar, bro. That's like 2. So when you guys come out here, what are your favorite colors when it's super windy and dirty like this? You guys let me know in the comments below, because I like to hear what you guys got. Me, black, gold, I like orange, and I would like chartreuse also. If I had to pick my 3 best, those are it for the dirty water. Let's get back out there and slang a fish. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Too windy, bro. It's like flying a kite.
Yeah, they're coming.
What's coming, fish?
No, my mom and dad are coming down for the weekend.
Oh, okay. So that means I gotta catch another fish then, right?
Apparently that's why she tried phoning me. I'm like, oh.
All right. I guess I gotta catch him another fish. Does it?
Oh yeah, you couldn't even spray with that far down.
Okay, okay, okay. So you're telling me I should fish tomorrow? So you live by the river, you should be fishing every day.
That I can't just come in.
I try to make it like 4 times a week because I gotta pour baits too. Oh. This magic moment when your lips are close to mine.
She went running in slow motion.
Yeah. That's a nice stringer.
Thanks a lot, man.
Anytime, brother. Anytime, man. Like I said, if I'm not keeping you guys come down, man, I'm not worried about giving them away.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Yeah. This river is right beside me, so there's no problem. It's like a cheat code. All right, my brother. Good seeing you again.
Alright,
Oh, yeah.
I'll be back probably
Oh, yeah.
Monday or something.
Oh, yeah.
We're coming back.
Yeah, just if you guys shoot me a message on Facebook, and I'll tell you what the conditions are if you guys need to.
Oh, all right.
So you guys don't have to travel all the way down there and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, brother. Happy Easter, bro.
Yeah, you too. See you later, right?
Yep.
See ya.
Alright guys, gotta end my day there. I had a pretty fascinating day for what the conditions were. Still windy, you guys can probably hear it behind me. Water was super dirty, not the ideal conditions at all. But I was using a 3/4 ounce jig, a jerbear. I was casting into the wind, and sometimes I did the low jig to try to catch fish. And which really is a good method too, because you get your line in the water and it doesn't like to bow. But if you guys want to get out here, it's Easter weekend. Right now it's April 5th on the Thursday evening, and Good Friday is tomorrow. And I wish you guys a happy Easter, but it's tough. You guys can still get down here and really catch fish and stuff like that, but you're gonna have to put the work in for sure. But I'm here for a trophy hunt, so I'm a 10-pound one fish guy. If I can get that one fish, it means the world to me. But if you guys are looking for numbers, I would say wait till like the end of April when you get heavy numbers. So if you guys like that, you can pick the baits up at LSC Protackle. I'll leave that in the link in the description below. We start shipping on Tuesday. You can also pick up the Tactical Fishing Jigging Special, which is on orderbaits.com /slash buckfishes15, or you can pick up an LSC Protackle also. If you guys also like the video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll have to catch you on the next one. So buck off!